Starting an LLC in Washington through BZ is a simple process. In this guide, I'll walk you through every step to ensure you complete it correctly. Step 1. Select your entity type. Choose LLC as your entity type. Limited liability companies offer liability protection and tax flexibility, making them a popular choice for business owners. Step 2. Choose your state. Select Washington as your LLC's formation state and click Get Started. Step 3. Select an LLC package. BZ offers 3 packages: Basic, prepares and files your articles of organization. Pro includes an EIN, operating agreement, and compliance documents. Premium, everything in Pro plus a business website and domain. Choose the package that fits your needs. Step 4. Enter your LLC name. Enter a unique name that meets Washington's naming rules. It must include LLC or Limited Liability Company and be distinguishable from existing businesses. Step 5. Choose your filing time. Standard, free, takes about 4 weeks. Expedited, paid, processes in about 4 business days. Step 6. Enter your contact information. Provide your name, phone number, and email to receive updates on your LLC filing. Step 7. Enter your business address. Provide your business address. Washington requires a registered agent to receive legal documents. BZ can provide one if needed. Step 8. Choose your management structure. Select how your LLC will be managed. Member managed. Owners run the business. Manager managed. Designated managers handle operations. Step 9. Set up your EIN. An EIN, employer identification number, is required to open a business bank account, file taxes, or hire employees. BZ will obtain this for you if you selected Pro or Premium. Step 10. Enter payment information. Enter your payment details to finalize your LLC formation. Outrow. Once your payment is processed, BZ will handle the filing. You'll receive confirmation and updates via email. That's it. Your Washington LLC is now in progress.